Was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and set of high, but very wise was he. Then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved. Day he passed my way, and while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greater things you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved.